I'm Susie Dingle, writer, landscape designer, and garden coach, bringing you a quick tip about cleaning your deck. I have a trex deck or porch deck outside of my garden studio, and I didn't install it. Had I installed it, I would have left a little bit wider gaps in between the boards. The debris does get stuck in there very easily. The moss grows, it gets slippery and wet, it doesn't drain well. So I have to get out here and clean it periodically. I usually use a palm broom like this to do my rough sweeping. It really is a fabulous, fabulous broom. It grabs all the debris, the leaves. I even use it over sidewalks and rocks and everything, and it's just been years and it hasn't split or broken down at all. Then I come along with a tool to clean between the crevices. And I usually use a 5-in-1 tool, but I couldn't find mine, so I reached for my garden tools and found this angle weeder. It's just the perfect shape to get in there, and I can dig in and even get out the little pebbles that are in between. This tool was made in the USA by a company called Garden Works. It's stainless steel, and I'm very, very pleased with it. Well, if I'm going to get this porch makeover done in time for Christmas, I better get right to it. Until next time, I'll be dreaming of you in the garden. Bye.